Hey, Roger. You look well shaven and fresh and cheerful.
It was a great weekend, man.
What'd you do this weekend?
Literally put a ton of flagstone in the yard, making the wife a nice little outdoor patio area.
Today is the beginning of the end and the start of a new beginning. Time has come to when you find yourself and let go of the demons in your head that have held you in captivity for so long. It's time to flip the page and prove them wrong. It's time for rebirth. Yeah, time's up to say goodbye to all the haters, doubters, and non-believers trying to bring you down. In the blink of an eye, you'll realize that there's so much more to the book than the page you were stuck on. Finally, you will be free to live a life you love living instead of the life you think other people want you to live.
I have not introduced you guys to my general contractor, Rich Van Brunt. He has made a cameo once or twice in the vlog though.
Just a few times.
Yes.
A few times.
So we are weeks away from opening our restaurants, and you have done a lot for us.
I'm trying, brother.
Yes, sir.
I'm trying.
I know the hardest part was just getting everything started with a winter storm and a lot of like delays with plumbers and everybody else.
Yeah, the winter storm set the whole industry back.
Sure.
The city, the plumbers, the trades, everything. So that really started off a little slower than we wanted to, but I think we got it moving in the right direction now. I think we'll be wrapped up pretty quick for you.
So we have the overpass installed. We built like this wall.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me about this wall that you built.
Basically just like a 4-foot punny wall, and then we had a great stainless company come do a nice overpass, pass through shelf. All the equipment will be set up on there. He can tuck the equipment up behind on the backside, plug it in, and just make sure it works for you in operations.
What are the last few things that we gotta get done before we open up?
The city's probably the biggest part. Right now, we'll final out our scope this week, make application for CO, get the CO in hand, little detail, little caulking, all the little finishing, the last 10% little touches.
Okay.
You know, really detailed out, and be here with you when you fire stuff up, make sure everything works out.
I couldn't have done it without Rich. I'm gonna leave a link below if you are looking for any type of like construction, general contractor, all the things. You do all the things, right?
All the things, all commercial construction.
They think this is thick enough, it's not going to wall her out. Let's go ahead and do it. I mean, worst case scenario is you come back later, you put a piece of angle across the top face of it, and rock with it that way. I mean, if they managed to put a piece of angle iron on, you know, well, not angle iron, angle there.
Hey, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
Good to see you today.
Have a busy weekend?
Oh my goodness, it's always busy. I'm just gonna actually grab out $2,600. I don't have any checks to give you today, unfortunately. I finally had a chance to grab a bite to eat. Went with a Sonic cheeseburger. I've been eating way too much Sonic. I did not get you anything from Sonic. Sorry, bro.
What? You're the
Have y'all been doing productivity stuff or not really?
You're the worst boss ever.
Sorry. Ugh.
I sent this to Lisa to see what she says about the hats.
Yeah, I just messaged her.
You got this?
From Keeson, yep. Yeah, we gotta find that.
Do you want me to do that real quick?
No. Okay, that's that thing, the big thing she wants me to do.
Okay. This thing.
Guys, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I just wanna say thank you so much for joining me on this journey, this chaotic life that I am living. Just a few short weeks from opening up, and this smile on my face, I hope it's contagious because I can't wipe it off. It's probably gonna be permanently placed here until we're opened up for business. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We're all about the restaurant life over here. For all of you guys that have been watching for the longest time, just thank you so incredibly much. Leave me a comment below if you like today's vlog. It always helps with the algorithm when you hit that thumbs up button. Tells the YouTube gods that we're doing a good job. And I will see you guys in the next upload. Cheers.